Hey guys, welcome to TechGranth. Today's problem is binary tree pruning. The problem statement here says that we are given the head node root of a binary tree, where additionally every node's value is either a 0 or a 1. Return the same tree where every subtree of the given tree not containing a 1 has been removed. So recall that the subtree of a node x is x plus every node that is the descendant of x. So here it says that you are given a input something like this, and if there is a tree or a subtree which does not contain 1, then you need to remove that from your solution. So all these are like subtrees which does not contain a 1 further down. So we need to remove all these node and we need to return the remaining tree. So let us solve this problem. Solve this problem, we'll again use DFS, which is a common approach for tree, and the few things that we are going to apply here is we just need to see what to return when we do the DFS and what checks that we need to implement. So the first check that will apply is if root is equal to null. In that case we will not return anything from the tree, so we will just return null. So if we have reached like a subtree of 1 here, and after that if we go towards left or right and we don't find anything, so we'll just return null from here. That will be the first check as part of our DFS. Now to form the tree we need to get the left value. So what will be the left value? To get the left value, we just do a DFS of the tree that we got and we'll go towards the left hand side. And same thing can be implemented for right hand side also. So we move towards right. We'll move towards right like this. Now once we have gone towards left and towards right, if the trees are formed, if we encounter a 0 node where we have a node which has a value 0 and there are no child to it, so we need to remove that node also. So for that what we can do here is we can put a condition that if we have reached a node where we don't have any left or right child like this, so your root dot left is equals to null and your root dot right is also equals to null. So it means you don't have a left or right child, and the value of that node root dot val is equals to 0. So if that is the condition, then we need to remove that node also. So we will return null in that case. We will return null from here. And finally, if all these conditions are met, means it is a proper node like all these ones and 0 where we have all the nodes which are there properly, so we just need to return the correct node that we have. So that is the logic to solve this particular problem. I think this should be it. Let us try to submit. Yeah, so it is accepted. I'll submit the solution and it is fine. It got accepted here. So this is how I solved this problem. Do let me know in the comment section how you solved the problem. You can also comment on you can put a comment here if you use some other language to solve the problem, and we can discuss over that. So thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe. Take care. Bye.